Hello everybody and welcome to today's Film It Friday. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then keep watching. Welcome. Another week has gone. Time is flying, literally. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name's Alexandra and I run Crochet Beginners Group over on Facebook with some other admins. Yeah, welcome to my channel. So Friday is Film It Friday day, which is kind of life, catch up, crochet, me rambling. So I hope everyone's well. So crochet wise, this week Lucy Green finally got her blanket, which I'm really happy about. I'm really sorry Lucy, it took me forever to post. We are doing a cowl on the group, which is a crochet along. I will put the link to the pattern down below, and it is a jumper from Tinderbox and it is beautiful and it's done in chunky, works up really quick, suitable for beginners. So I bought my yarn for that. You might have seen that I did a live on the group, but for those who haven't, so I'm using Robin Chunky and this is Storm, I think, and it's shade 132 and the name is Storm, so I got this nice blue, and silver shade 27. So I'm going to do the main body of my jumper in Storm and then a bit round the bottom and round the cuffs in silver. So if you are interested in joining along with our crochet along, I will leave the link to the pattern and you can find all the information on Crochet Beginners Group. It is starting on April the 1st. So I have those. I am also making Megan's jumper, so I'm still on the back panel. Which is the front? That's the front. So I have done this. This is the armhole here. This is a free pattern. It's just ribbed on the bottom. By yarnspirations.com. I will pop the link. I'm using Karen Simply Soft. I got GI. Karen Simply Soft for this. And Julie's doing it as well. Don't I know it? Love you, Julie. The lovely Lucy Green, who I've made a blanket for, sent me this and it proper made me lol a lot. So she bought me this. It's huge. It's a ball bag. And it says on it, I like big balls. I love it. And it's from, I think she got it from Not on the High Street, Kelly Connor Design. So if I can find the link to the shop, I will pop it up. I was like, who is sending me something? And then I looked at the receipt and it was Lucy. So thank you so much. You didn't have to get me anything, Lucy. I enjoy making things for you. Yeah, we need to know how your Nana's getting on as well. You need to send me some pics of your crocheting Nana. It was my birthday yesterday. I didn't really do a lot. I went shopping with my mum, but Megan, my daughter, I've got to show you this, bought me the cutest bag. I love it. It's from xxxx and it's very me, vintagey and just beautiful. So thank you, Megs. Love you. And my Harry Potter dress, I haven't really sewn a lot. I've sewn the bodice. So I'm going on a holiday in a couple of weeks and we're going to Universal. So I am making a Harry Potter style dress. So this is the front bodice piece. That is all I've sewn, literally. It has princess seams, which drive me insane, princess seams. Trying to get them to match. So I've done that. The rest of it's over there in bits. I'm probably not going to get to sew it today because Megan's making a top. So I think she's commandeering the sewing machine to do her top. Book wise, I have finished. So if you're part of our book club, I will put, if you're not and you want to join, I'll put the link. So So I've just finished this book, Fever by Mary Beth Keane. It was okay. It's not the best written book. So it's about Typhoid Mary in America in the early 1900s and how she's a cook, and it's based on a true story, and she was unwittingly giving people typhoid through her cooking, and it's her story really. It's really good. It's not the best book I've ever read, but if I only got it, it cost me £1. I got it in Poundland. I didn't even realise that they did books. So any of my Bristol friends, if you want this book, let me know. I will pass it on. It is obviously historical fiction, but yeah, it's a good read. And I am currently reading now, sorry, it's a library book with my crochet bookmark. Nora Roberts, the second in the Chronicles of the One trilogy. And I am page 112, and it's good. I enjoyed the first one. It's about a plague and that basically wipes out humanity. Yeah, I won't say too much because it'll give it away, but this is the second book and it is really good. So that is everything. I haven't got anything else to show you, I don't think, but I just want to say thank you to everyone that wished me a happy birthday. It's really, really lovely. I was honestly really touched by everyone's messages, so thank you so much. Yeah, that is it. Don't forget to check out our cow. I'll leave all the links to groups, our sewing group, our book club. We have a healthy eating group. We have an 18+ group. I will leave all the links for everything down in the description box below. So that is it. I will try and get a tutorial up on Sunday. I cannot promise. I'm just so busy at the moment, so I'm going to try and do it. Yeah, so have a lovely rest of the weekend. If you're in the UK, don't get blown away because it's proper windy. And I will speak to you all soon. Happy crocheting. Bye.